Good morning children. Welcome to SST class. Children, today we'll discuss about chapter 17, Earth Our Home. So dear children, open your book and see page number 88. Children, in this chapter we'll discuss about the different landforms of Earth and the different water bodies of Earth. Children, do you know that the earth on which we live is almost round. It is made up of both land and water. 3/4 of the earth is water and 1/4 is land. The earth is surrounded by air. The earth has everything that living things need to live. It has air, water and land. It supports life. Then first one is land. Okay. Land is made of soil, sand, rock. It build our house on land and move on it. We grow all the crops that we need for food on land. Is the land the same throughout the earth? No, it is not. There are different natural landforms around us, such as plains, forests, hills, valleys, and mountains. Plains. Large areas of flat land are called plains. People can grow crops here. Some plains are very fertile. Many rivers flow through the plains. Then forest. Parts of land are covered with trees. So children, forests are covered with trees. These places with trees are known as forest. Many animals live here. If we cut down trees, all the animals will lose their homes. Then hills and mountains. When the land is not flat but high, it is called a hill. A small hill is called a hillock, and a hill that is very big is called a mountain. The top of the mountain is called a peak. Children, you remember the top of the mountain is called a peak. Mountain peaks are often covered with snow. Sometimes steps are cut into the hills and mountains and crops like tea and coffee are grown. Then valleys. What is valleys? The low area that lies between two hills or mountains is called a valley. Okay, children, here you see figure is given. Here, this is the low area. Okay, here hills are there, and between two hills, one low area is there, and this place is known as valley. The plains are generally very hot, but as we go up into the hills and mountains, the weather becomes pleasant and cool. Then comes to water. The earth has water bodies such as oceans, rivers, lakes, streams, and waterfalls. So children, first of all discuss about oceans. An ocean is a large body of salt water that covers most of the earth's surface. We cannot drink this water because the ocean water is very salty. So we cannot drink. Then rivers, lakes and waterfalls. When the snow on the high mountains melts, it flows down as rivers and streams. A river is a large natural stream of water that flows into the sea. When a stream or river falls from a height over rocks or cliffs, it becomes a waterfall. You must have seen large bodies of water surrounded by land on all sides. These are called lakes and they make nice picnic spot. Okay, so children, here you can see this is the example of river, this is the example of lake, and this is waterfall. Okay, these are some little examples are there in your book. Rainwater collects in rivers, lakes, ponds and seas. It is our main source of water. So what is the main source of water? Rain is our main source of water. All living things such as plants, animals and human beings need water. The earth is our only home. We should be careful to preserve and protect it in every way. So children, you don't waste water. Water is very precious. And children, you remember only earth is our only planet that life exists. So children, you read this chapter again at your home and also learn these words. Okay, 10 times you write and learn. Thank you. Have a good day.